So how do you send large videos from iPhone to email on the Google Drive? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. First of all, make sure you have the Google Drive application. Go ahead and get inside, make sure you're signed in, but tap on the plus button and click on upload a file. Choose from the photos and videos, right? So you can pick the videos right there. Make sure you select it and upload it as usual, right? So you upload it like that. After a while, depending on the size and your internet connection, the file will be finished. So you'll be able to locate it like that. And then once you have it, once you found it within the Google Drive app, tap on the three dots next to it, click on Manage Access, and I want you to select it from the restricted to anyone with the link. Then you choose anyone with the link to be the viewer. That's like good enough. You can also choose it to be the commenter or the editor, but that's like even bigger permission. So I would just keep it at the viewer personally. And you can now tap on the link in the top right corner. And now you can return to your email, right? You can type in the message or whatever, right? And you can include this link. You can literally just paste it into your message, and that person will be able to access your large video through any device they have, right? Because it's on the Google Drive and it works on all of the devices. So you don't have to worry about anything with the link. They will be able to see the video that you are sharing. So that's how it works. Let me know if you manage to pull it off on your device. That would be about it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, but most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, right? So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.